Welcome, future Titans. We're going to read a book today called I Will Be Fierce. The author of the book is Birdsong, and the illustrator for the book is Nidhi Chanani. So let's get started. Here she is waking up. Today I will be fierce. I will answer the call to adventure. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. I bet you have a backpack just like her treasure chest, don't you? I will go forth to explore new worlds. There she is getting ready to go outdoors. Today I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. Goodness, look at all those dogs running down the street. But she's going to be okay because they're on leashes. I will drive back the dragons. She's blowing her magic bubbles at the dogs who think it's pretty funny. I will dare to walk with the giants. Those are the older kids all waiting for the school bus. I will charge the many-headed serpent. Look at that bus. Looks just like a serpent or a snake, doesn't it, with all those kids' heads sticking out. Today I will be fierce. She's just getting off the bus and going into school. I will chart my own course. Everybody else is walking down the hallway and she's going into the elevator. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. Goodness, look at that stack of books. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. The sign says she can only check out 5 books, but she's going to take out a lot more than that. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. There she is with her books again. Today I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. See, everybody else is drawing a tree or a cat, and she's showing herself riding a giant turtle. I will stand up for my beliefs. The other kids are looking at her, but she's going to do what she thinks is the right thing to do, which is I will build new bridges. She's reaching out to the student that nobody else wanted to talk to. I will search for light in the darkness. They're all hiding under the rain shed, but she's out there enjoying the rain and the freshness. Today I will be fierce. I will claim my victory. I will conquer my fears. I will make my voice heard. So it's show and tell time. And she's a little bit shy, but she's going to step up and do it. I will be the hero of my story. And there she is telling her story for show and tell. Today I will be fierce. I will lead the way home. There she is on the bus with the student that nobody wanted to be with, her new friend. And here she is at home, and then I will rest. She and her cat are just resting so peacefully. And there she is ready for bed. For tomorrow, I will be fierce again. And that's the end of the story, and a message for all of us to be fierce and do the things that we want to do.